Hey guys, tonight we're going to talk about the second part of the legislative branch, and it's really simple and it has to do with voting, so it's going to come into play a little bit more in one of our later units. So again, 2.3, identify the function and powers of the three branches of government, more specifically the legislative branch again tonight. The census, reapportionment, districts, and gerrymandering are going to be your vocab. So we determine representation based off of what we call a census, and it's a population count that's taken every 10 years, and it's supposed to be able to use to adjust the number of representatives given to a specific state. So we here in North Carolina have 13 members of the House, but if we have more people moving to North Carolina, the next census for us will be in 2020, and we could potentially gain more representatives, while other states might gain or lose them as well. Some states lose and some states gain, and of course this is called reapportionment. So each state is divided into at least one, if not more, congressional districts. There are plenty of states who only have one, just based off of the sheer number of people that they have. North Carolina has 13 different congressional districts, and tomorrow in class we're going to talk about what those look like and how they have changed over the years and how they very well may be unconstitutional depending on how the Supreme Court of the United States handles this decision. So the state legislatures must redraw the boundaries, and they can redistrict after a census. So it depends basically on who is in charge in the state legislature or which political party has the majority, and that will be the political party who gets to redraw the boundaries. And of course, if you're a Republican redrawing the boundaries, you're going to try to help out the Republicans, and if you're a Democrat redrawing boundaries, you're going to help out Democrats, which everybody is fine and dandy with as long as they're on the winning team. But of course, if you're not on the winning team and you are not being treated fairly, then that is some contention right now in North Carolina. So districts, the only real requirement is that they have to have the same number of constituents or the same number of voters. Gerrymandering is when you take and you try to, again, give strength to a particular party. So these are oddly shaped districts, and I mean oddly shaped, and you will see some of them tomorrow in class, where basically you're redrawing those lines to just benefit your particular political party.